My name is Jamie Anderson. I'm the CEO of Emergent Software. This video is exciting because it's our 10-year anniversary.
My name is Mark Bajema. I'm the CIO with Emergent Software.
At Emergent Software, we help our clients grow by leveraging technology. We do that through software development, cloud transformation, data and AI. So leveraging the Microsoft platform as the canvas for the picture that we want to paint for our clients.
So celebrating Emergent's 10-year anniversary this year is really exciting. It's actually kind of hard to believe that it's been 10 years. Time really flies when you're having fun and doing good work.
So Mark Bajema and I have known each other for a long time. Mark contracted with us and did a lot of work for us at Emergent Networks on the software development side. And so when the idea came for Emergent Software, even before we had that name, I knew that he would be someone that I'd want to do that with.
Jamie approached me and asked if I would be interested in combining the software development services that I was providing to my clients with his small team and spinning that out as Emergent Software and starting a new entity. And it sounded really cool to me, so we did.
I'm Chris Lefstead. I am the COO of Emergent Software. So my wife was actually the first employee of the innovative mentoring side of the business. I was invited to Emergent's first holiday party through my wife as a guest. And that's where I got to meet Jamie and talk to Mark. And I was just drawn in by the vision that everybody had for the company and where they saw the company headed over the next few years. And I just thought I had to somehow be a part of it.
Chris Lefstead came from Optum. He had a lot of experience, but was just really tired of the big corporate machine. And so he stepped into a role that we had and has really just embraced it and owned it.
Mark, Jamie, and I had a number of conversations, and it was really a big leap for both parties. I did a little bit of everything. So I was the resource manager, the project manager. I did sales and marketing and recruiting and a little bit of accounting.
The first few years of Emergent Software were challenging. Some of those first people that join, I mean, they really are taking a risk.
There were really two strategic leadership hires that we made that really drove the business to where it is today. Mike Allen was our first strategic hire, and his first order of business was to establish standards on how we delivered for clients across all of our projects so that we could deliver consistently. And then not too far after, we brought on Sal D'Agostino. Sal and I had worked together at United Health Group for a number of years, and I knew early on that we needed to bring his skills to the team. And so the two of them together, that combination, enabled us to deliver large-scale projects effectively, and that really launched our entire business into a new level.
Yeah, when Chris and Sal were here and have worked on the Agile process a lot, we've really improved how flexible we are with our development and how well we can work with our clients. We get things done smoothly and quickly and as efficiently as possible because of this flexibility.
I have been with Emergent for just about a year and a half. I think what stands out to me the most is the process that we've built and how well it's structured. And then also the technical product owner role is a huge differentiator.
A lot of clients, although they know what their business does and they understand the technology that they use, they don't understand necessarily all the details of how the technology works. And so at Emergent Software, we can really come in and be that bridge. And our technical product owners are a big part of that because they understand the technology, but they also understand business and can really help customers understand how the technology is going to meet their needs.
I think the differentiator that TPO brings is that a custom development project has maybe a dozen big decisions to make and then 1,000 small decisions to make day to day. So the technical product owner helps bring those questions up to the surface, helps the team make decisions, helps the client be involved in that process and make the decision themselves as well, so that we're all aligned and going in the same direction.
So when we started Emergent Software, we were very focused on software development, and I think that's a really key component of our company still. But since then, we've added data engineering, cloud consulting, modern work consulting, and now we're really getting deep into AI.
I used Emergent Software as a strategic partner in a former role, and then it was an easy decision to bring them on as I started a new role with a different company. Emergent Software is our Microsoft partner. They help us with our Microsoft 365 licensing, Azure consulting services.
Yeah, as an Azure architect, my job primarily will come into helping the customers on the why. Whether it's a journey to the cloud or whether you're in the cloud already, we're going to be looking at the why are we doing this.
We had a data center in our headquarters building that we did not want to move to the new location. So we started a project with Emergent to create a presence in Microsoft Azure to support our secondary data center. We're very happy with the work that Emergent did and have since started working on a review of all of our applications to determine whether or not those applications are better suited to run within Microsoft Azure rather than an on-premise data center.
One of the keys that we've really focused on at Emergent is continually making sure that we have the top technical talent possible.
The decision to go fully remote is probably one of the most impactful decisions we've ever made as a leadership team. We could expand our talent pool across the entire country.
Anywhere around the country and really anywhere around the world. We intend to be a fully remote company for the existence of Emergent Software.
So we relied on outside recruiting firms, and one of those firms had a person named Jackie Breland, who was very talented, and we were very happy to work with her.
We needed to start building our own internal recruiting arm. And of course, Jackie was a top choice to come and lead that team.
We have a proprietary sourcing and vetting process that has been built and refined over time that really helps us bring in the very top level talent. For each position, there is a very tailored and customized online assessment series followed by recruiter video interviews to assess soft skills, cultural fit, and communication. And then followed by that is a customized tech challenge for each role, and then a final round interview.
Another strategy that's been a big part of our success from the very beginning was our focus on Microsoft. Being solely focused on the Microsoft platform really allows Emergent to go very, very deep in one platform instead of trying to spread out our resources across all the different cloud platforms and all the different technology companies.
What we've specialized in is in the technology stack. So we're a Microsoft partner providing solutions within the Microsoft ecosystem. And we've made sure that we specialize in one stack so that we can be experts and deliver the best solution possible.
I think it just gives us instant credibility.
We've worked really hard to get the designations that prove that we know what we're talking about. So in the early days, that was being a Microsoft Gold partner. And we got Microsoft Gold partner certification in at least 3 different areas. Since then, we're now a Microsoft Solutions partner with a lot of different specialty designations.
We've realized that continuous education, continual learning needs to be a huge part of life at Emergent. As a very tight partner with Microsoft, we can see where Microsoft is headed, where they see the market head. And of course, we need to evolve with them to enable our teams to deliver services with Microsoft's cutting edge technologies.
All the innovation that Microsoft is doing, we're able to quickly offer that to our customers. So when a new service comes out from Microsoft, we know about it, and we'll make sure that we're incorporating it when it makes sense into solutions for our customers.
And so we might have a customer who has complex networking needs. We have people. When it comes to data management, we have people. Websites and infrastructure and user access and licensing, we have people.
We work really hard to create a culture and an environment where people learn and grow in their careers. And a big part of that as a technology company is learning new technologies. So we give every engineer at our company 100 hours a year to just go out and learn something new.
There are thousands and thousands, I think there's estimated upwards of 400,000 Microsoft partners worldwide. And so how do you differentiate yourself in that noise? We have 5 of their 6 solution designations. We have over 6 advanced specializations. We've gotten into a lot of their specialized programs, their Copilot Jumpstart programs.
The number of specialty designations we have is very rare among Microsoft partners.
AI is affecting everything, including how Emergent works.
We have a big focus right now on AI like everybody else does. Everybody's talking about what AI can do for me.
AI affects our development in kind of 2 broad ways. One is how we write the code using AI, and the second is how we build solutions for our clients using AI. It helps us write some things much faster. Some things AI isn't good at, and we still do that ourselves, or we shape it and help the AI get there. There's still a lot of things that developers do without AI, and it's not taking our jobs. It's a tool we're using to help streamline and make things faster and build the things we want to build in a quicker fashion.
I get to see firsthand in my role as an account executive just how much we support not only each other, but our clients throughout their journey.
But we've been very intentional about the culture that we've been building since day one, really. It's not just about bringing on the right talent to the team, but bringing on the right attitudes. Because when people enjoy working together, they enjoy coming to work, and I think that makes all the difference for us.
They've been a great partner, a lot of confidence in everything that they do, and I've really enjoyed bringing them tough, challenging problems, and they've taken it with grace and really been an awesome partner with us.
Looking back at the last 10 years of being a part of Emergent Software, I am most proud of the team that we've built.
Being a best place to work is more than just about our culture. It's about the happiness and well-being of our employees and their satisfaction with their jobs.
At Emergent, we do meet in person once a year with everybody in the company, everybody who can come. It's a really exciting time. We call it Emergent Connect.
Everyone really loves Emergent Connect. The feedback we get from it when we get back is that everyone feels a stronger connection to everyone they work with and can't wait for another one, wants to do it more often than once a year.
The vibe at Emergent Connect is really about fun and collaboration.
As that room fills up, the energy level just skyrockets.
When we have Emergent Connect, that's the time when it becomes most obvious that we have this amazing team because they're all together in person. That's what makes me most proud of Emergent.
Honestly, one of the highlights of the year for me. We believe that empowering people and trusting people to do good work is the best way to start a company. We believe in helping our customers achieve the goals that they want and leveraging technology to do that. There's so many creative things you can do with technology. We just really want to continue sharing that with the world.
I think the next 10 years at Emergent Software will see further growth. It will see us scaling the business. How do we go from a 100-person company to a 200-person company? What roles do we need? What processes do we need? But really the key is that we maintain the values that we have in terms of a great place to work, doing high quality work for our customers, and just still keeping that culture that we have today.